an 07 Honda Element. I bought it in February of 07. It's got a 2.4 liter 4-cylinder with variable valve type, 159 horsepower, and I think like 160 mighty pounds of torque. I don't know what that goes in Newton meters, but I imagine it's probably pretty impressive.
But you like your Oldsmobile more.
It just reminds me of the Johnny on the Spot cab or whatever from Total Recall. The way it opens up.
Yes. 362,000 miles.
Oh my goodness, really?
Yeah.
How many?
Wow.
362,000 miles.
Wow.
What? But
Paul has the record for the group.
but I have to confess,
I'm only at 225.
I'm at 312.
Engine at 345,000 miles because I had a blown head gasket and no one would replace the head gasket on a motor with 345,000 miles. So it wasn't too bad. It was about $4,000 to swap out a used motor. I probably would have given up the car, except I went looking at new cars and they wanted like $9,000 extra for added dealer markup on a Honda CR-V. I said, I'm not paying that when for a few thousand I can keep the old one going.
Right.
Never had any transmission problems, so 362,000 transmissions never bothered me. I've had very few problems other than the blown head gasket.
It's pretty amazing.
Wow.
The Hondas are built forever.
Another interesting thing about this, it opens up in the clamshell way, but also you can turn it
Wasn't
into
there
a
a
bed.
stick shift option with these? Yeah. Yes.
You had a manual shift option.
Wow.
Oh my goodness.
Paul's turning it into night-night mode. Look at this.
Like the old Nash Rambo.
Sleeps 4.
This is better than some people's houses I've been to.
Yeah.
How many? 362,000. You can take these
362.
things out and that kind of makes them into a little bit of a bed.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then
These were pretty cool.
Cool.
I drove a.
So are they not making these anymore?
they stopped making, they made them from 03 to 12.
Okay.
And
Now,
this opens.
they
I
don't
remember
make
seeing
anything-
a scuba diver was like, oh, I can stand up and change. And it's all rubber. So you can hose it out.
Oh, wow.
Oh, look at that.
Oh, that's nifty.
Oh my goodness.
Look at that.
Now the seats also come out, so you can just transform it into like a little minivan.
Yeah, this thing is
Or
pretty,
you can
pretty
sleep, or these
I
go
love
up
when they start
and you can
doing
actually,
Yeah.
Snooze on the floor.
Yeah, with the big plastic thing.
Because I had
You know
a,
the minivans?
Nuts.
Yeah, 2 in the front, 5 in the back.
Look at that. Oh, did you tell a minivan joke?
Yeah.
It's like the Shocker, but
Yeah.
More shocking.
Advanced. It's expert level. So do you use all these features?
that is pretty cool.
Massive pieces of furniture? Or?
It's like Honda's Fit when they have the magic seats. So you can stick a bike in a Honda Fit.
I mean, it's got pretty good. I mean, this is like pretty high. You could
Yeah,
get
I
like
mean-
big TVs and shit. in there.
wow. I'm impressed.
this thing here.
So neat.
But like when I bought a new stove where I used to live, I just
Well, this
flip
is
these
easy
things
access
down.
too.
This is great.
Yeah, this is super practical.
Yeah, like, who the hell thought this was a bad idea? Why don't they still make this? This is perfect.
Because people wanted SUVs.
Yeah, they wanted something that would hold less capacity. And none of it will.
Yeah. Ooh!
Just a second.
It's misbehaving, Paul. Oh, Paul got it! It's hooked!
Oh, look at that payload.
Woo! You could,
Also, these seats, you can take them out.
pretty
They
easily.
did this in something else too. Honda did this.
But this is
I
better.
want to say it was like one of the first Odysseys that didn't have the.
And the tailgate's great for short people. Look, I can just go
Look,
like that.
Alec can just sit. Alec
I'm
can just
like,
sit
I need
down.
a leg up. up. I can't get up. Yeah, that's perfect.
And you can also chain bikes there, so you can get like,
Yeah,
two
look at
bikes
that. Oh,
in
yeah,
here.
you could. Because you've
Wow.
got the
I
height.
never knew these seats did that. That's pretty cool.
This is
And you have a spare
incredible.
tire under here, too?
Yeah.
Wow.
No,
That's
those were the days
great.
when they still had spare tires.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Get a
when
spare
things
tire.
were
Those
useful.
were the days.
In fact, I had a flat yesterday.
You did?
So today
Oh, no.
I had to put on this and take it in and have the other tire fixed and put back
Oh,
on.
goodness.
All they
very-
did was try to talk me into getting 2 new tires. I said, I don't
No,
Yeah,
not
you
today.
get about 300,000 miles out of them.
Maybe
Paul
tomorrow,
is a
but
very
not today.
industrious man, and we love him for that.
That's pretty cool.
This is awesome.
Yeah, that's,
Yeah, I really like it.
I didn't know
Paul
they did
likes
that.
it.
think, I think the sticker price was $23,750, and then I got it for $22,312. They brought out the invoice and said, well, just pay us $500 over invoice. I said, I know there's a dealer holdback on this car of $790. So I said, I'll be nice to you since my 89 Ford F-150 is dying. I will pay you invoice or I'm leaving. And then they said, well, invoice is okay.
Done.
So I
Problem
got
solved.
it for $22,312. Then they tried to sell me extended warranty. I said, I thought Hondas were supposed to be reliable.
Ha! You told them.
Yeah.
Well, you have
pretty reliable.
this. You've got the olds, and you've got your 7.3. What more do you need?
Yeah, basically,
All the bases
there's no
covered.
duplication going on in the vehicle.
No, but you have all the bases covered. You can do everything with whatever you have. Nice job, Paul.
And this also is all-wheel drive.
Ooh.
And the couple of things that put me over the edge when I was buying was the first year for side curtain airbags. And also they went from a 4-speed to a 5-speed automatic.
Nice.
Now you could get the manual in this, but this pretty much has every option. Not that Honda offers a lot of options, but automatic and all-wheel drive.
The fact that you have that many miles on that automatic, very impressive. And when it breaks, I got a guy. You just call me, I got a buddy, he'll handle it. Handle it. Very nice, Paul. Good job. And with the amount of miles, excellent shape. I'm impressed. Look at this. I'm looking through to the group.
You put a 9-foot Christmas tree in my mom's